Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today, working on a 2020 Volvo XC90. First thing, we're going to remove this engine cover. It's a T45. Simply remove the 4 brackets that hold it on, and you pull the cover off. Right here, you have your engine oil separator, and what you need to do this test, I'm about to go over here in 1 second. Right here is what this applies to, the applications on the Volvo years. I believe it's 2014 all the way up to 2022, I want to say. Yep, see what you want to do, start it up, and hear the high-pitched humming. So you want to take this oil cap, gently remove some, you can pull it to the side, and that's going to make the sound that you're looking for. So when I got here, it didn't have any sound to it. The customer stated it was humming. I got there, of course, no hum. You know how that goes. As I'm checking the diaphragm for suction, and it's sucking in because it's broken inside. It shouldn't be doing that constantly, therefore leading to the humming. The humming sounds like it's coming from the back of the engine, but it's actually caused because of the oil separator right here that your PCV valve is built into. Great job, Volvo. You know how that is, but pretty easy fix. I'll get it done in about 30 minutes tops. When you replace this whole part, don't try to just replace the diaphragm. You can probably get this offline off Amazon for about $50. Right here, you can see as I'm jiggling it back and forth, the sound clearly varies. All right. If you like seeing 100% live stream dog repair, make sure you check out my channel. Smash that like and subscribe and ring that bell. See you on the next one. All right. Check out the rest of the video for more tips. All right. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of time so you can actually hear how loud this gets. Play the video at regular level. Let's all check out the noise. Stay tuned. It gets pretty loud here in a second. I'm going to shut it off and do it all over again. You can hear it at real level. Okay, we shut it back off and start it. We should do it again, I believe. Let's see if we can make it happen again on there. Help it start it. Try it again. See. Shut it off. Here, take that off again. Part right here. It's separated here. More separated. Make sure to check out the upcoming live stream where I repair this vehicle live. Alright, see you on the next one. Peace.